even those young men and women that are going into the NFL, I guess women ain't going to the NFL, but when they're going to the NFL, they came from something drove them to do that work, right? They wanted to get out of that situation. They love that game, right? But majority of them, when you hear their stories, they're a single mother, they have 4 or 5 brothers and sisters, and they want to get them out of that situation. Their boys are all dying from being shot. So they have that purpose-driven life, right? But then once they get there, I don't know what the NFL does, I really don't, but there needs to be an education on how to keep what you're putting in. And you hear all these stories where multimillionaires are broke, right? Because they are not taught correctly how to protect their wealth and how to utilize it correctly. And that's why it's a passion of mine. It's a passion of mine to teach people that level of the game.